COVID-19 pandemic is considered as the most crucial global health calamity of the century and the greatest challenge that the humankind faced since the Second World War. In December 2019, a new infectious respiratory disease emerged in Wuhan, Hubei province, China and was named by the World Health Organization as COVID-19. Almost all the nations are struggling to slow down the transmission of the disease by testing and treating patients, quarantining suspected persons through contact tracing, maintaining complete or partial lockdown. But, will it really end like this? The place where this all started was China, and the first patient was found in Wuhan City. This ain't the only pandemic. Let's rewind a little to 1918. The Spanish flu pandemic of 1918, the deadliest in history, infected an estimated 500 million people worldwide, about one-third of the planet's population, and killed an estimated 20 million to 50 million victims, including some 675,000 Americans. Although, the influenza pandemic was the most severe pandemic in recent history. It was caused by an H1N1 virus with genes of avian origin. Although there is not universal consensus regarding where the virus originated, it spread worldwide during 1918 to 1919. But the COVID pandemic is more severe and deadliest than the Spanish flu. It is believed to have zoonotic origins and has close genetic similarity to bat coronaviruses. Retrospective investigations by Chinese authorities have identified human cases with onset of symptoms in early December 2019. While some of the earliest known cases had a link to a wholesale food market in Wuhan, some did not.
More pigeons. Then here's some turtles. You know, that's a big turtle. You can see his sticking his head out. And this is on the other one. I'm not sure if this is a turtle. They've got a weird looking head.
Here's how it started. It was first identified in bats. Then it's believed to have transferred to a pangolin, and then to humans because of pangolin consumption. This all occurred in Wuhan's wet market. As Chinese people believe that consumption of live animals can lead to a better health, the wet market of Wuhan is again reopened. The consumption of live animals like tortoises, bats, pangolins, dogs, snails, etc. was started in 1990s. Some poorly regulated Chinese wet markets provide outlets for the exotic wildlife trade industry that was estimated to be worth more than $73 billion in a 2017 Chinese government report. However, not everyone in China can eat such wild exotic foods. Only the rich people in China has the money to buy and enjoy these type of delicacies. But how can we end this pandemic by some simple things? The answers to these are simple and easy to follow if followed properly. Wear a mask. However, the use of a mask alone is insufficient to provide the adequate level of protection, and other equally relevant measures should be adopted. So keep yourself sanitized. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers help to deter the spread of germs and illness-causing bacteria, particularly in busy environments like schools and offices. There is no proof that alcohol-based hand sanitizers and other antimicrobial products are harmful. Thus, use of sanitizers is a must thing. And yes, there's one request I would like to do. Please do not think doctors as our enemies. They are always available for us. Recent doctor attack in certain parts of the world doesn't show any kind of supremacy.
Can India stomach such attacks on the people truly fronting our fight against the virus?
Donate as much as you can for poor patients as well as for people who are in need. Care for the animals which doesn't get enough food to eat. Help in every way possible from your side. A single corona patient can infect up to 71 people, which is why it is especially important for us to stay home and social distance. While it sucks not being able to go to school, meet friends, go to your first prom, go to dance class, and the list goes on, try looking on the bright side. Russia has become the first country in the world to approve a vaccine for the coronavirus, President Vladimir Putin announced on Tuesday, though global health authorities say the vaccine has yet to complete critical, late-stage clinical trials to determine its safety and effectiveness. So, utilize your precious time in this lockdown period as much as possible. Create and explore new things and entertain yourself. Also be hopeful as Mother Nature is testing us. In times like these, hope can be a powerful source of reassurance. Many who are locked at home, others who are working to help and prevent the virus, also need the reassurance and the hope that we shall overcome this. Prosperity for people and the planet is possible only if we make bold decisions today and follow some simple rules, so that future generations can survive and thrive in a better world.